Wagwan.
Yes, not going really only. I'm doing some seasoning for the marinade for the chicken and the pork.
And the pork, what kind of pork? Pork belly?
Yes, pork belly.
Sweetest part
so
of the pork.
here we have in here 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, large bell pepper, large onion,
Mommy,
4 stalks of scallion.
Mommy see here Wagwan. You know, so when you do them videos, still, you have to make sure say you show the people them what you're using. But you cut up everything already?
Yes, because I mean it's a prep. I said scallion.
No. You cut up everything already and I saw you shouldn't do it. But anyway, it look like say some sweet pepper in there.
Yes.
Some scallion, some scotch bonnet. But you don't think you need more scotch bonnet than that, Mommy say?
No, because the jerk seasoning have
how about this? Let me see what kind of jerk seasoning.
Walker's wood. You can lose with
Walker's wood.
You can't lose with
I know what you talk about Walker's wood, you know. I know what that, you know.
You can't lose with Walker's wood.
But anyway, still, Walker's wood. You know, you can't see it. Watch out. I lick all the camera.
You can't lose.
Don't even know.
Can I have my thing? So you're gonna put some in there.
How much I put in the half? Oh.
About half, because there's a lot of chicken.
About half.
It's a lot of chicken.
So you may say you have sweet pepper, you have scallion, you have
garlic,
onion.
Yes.
Yeah. So
yes,
you
and
if you are yard, you know already.
Yes.
Still.
So everything is good. And pimento seed.
And pimento. About half of the Westwood.
Yeah.
Alright, Mama, see me. So
it's not Westwood, it's Walker's wood.
Walker's wood. Alright, Walker's wood.
Okay.
Alright, so here we go. This is a chicken. So here we that chicken you know. I think it washed with vinegar already. You can use vinegar or
wash with vinegar and salt and cleaned up.
Yeah. I see the pork belly. Only for fatty nice thing about you know what? When you put this on the grill in it's sweet. Cause you know it's tough. You see what I say? So you call a machine now, what is it?
It's a processor.
It's a processor.
So I'm gonna grind it up and then
it's the processor. You see me?
And dig in.
Alright, it's a good one though.
I'm gonna grind it up and dig in. Okay?
You smell good, man. Chano, see it here?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it a little finer.
Nice. I want it soaking in the chicken, you know.
Yeah, smell good, eh?
And here, when I do the chicken too, I have to put this up. You know it's your boy DJ Frost Alex. You don't know some in a Mommy C kitchen. Mad up the thing.
Mad
up. Man, Curly Frost asleep still.
Mad up.
We see, yeah. Mad up. Big up yourself, Debbie Debs. I don't know the thing going, you see me?
Yes, Jamaican cooking, Debbie.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, real.
Really hardy. Remember me tell you.
Okay. So this is.
Boy, that thing is strong, though.
Yeah, it have to be strong. It have to be strong. Cause when you season up this with it and rub it in there.
So, Mommy, you juke, stab up the meat?
Yeah, I'm stab it up, but I'm gonna stab it up some more.
Okay.
I don't want to stab it up and it turn around and stab me.
Not true.
So therefore,
no, yes, man. So that look good. Easily go here for do some jerk. You see what I say?
But you know, you don't want to put no form of browning or nothing on it, because when it goes on the fire, and it have browning on it, it's going to burn too quick. So
Yeah.
you don't put nothing, you just have your marinated seasoning
Yeah, man.
in there and rub it, soak it, you know.
But remember too, you know, when if I put some regular jerk seasoning too.
Yes.
Like the powder one if you don't want. You see me? But true we kind of more like ital. We just do it that way, we don't have too much salt in it.
Yeah. But
You understand?
I
But this have salt in it already. You see me? So, deal with the pork there.
so
Yeah, man, go and season up, mama. You see it?
this is the pork belly.
Remember, guys, it's best to use a gloves because this is spicy food, man. Very spicy. You understand? You know, sometimes we put a lot of Scotch bonnet, like 4 of them, but you know, we don't have too much over here. It's winter time now. We like to use the original Scotch bonnet.
Well, this is Scotch bonnet and this one
Yeah,
is
it's bad.
good.
You know what I mean?
And it flavory, smells good, and everything.
Yeah.
So okay, now I rub this in. I'm going to put some dry ingredients. You see, I don't use much salt or anything.
Let me see what you use, mommy. Bring it up there.
This is some jerk seasoning, dry jerk. It has salt
Where it
in it.
come from? Let me see it.
Jamaican style.
Yeah, but what the name? What the brand? Let me see the brand.
Bad.
Badia. I don't know what that sound like. I want
Because
Badia.
it bad.
That me I said Badia. But not put too much in it, you know.
I'm not putting a lot. I'm just putting some because no salt. So this is
It
the
have a
salt.
salt, mommy.
This is the salt.
It have a salt. You see me I say? And the seasoning salt already.
That's what I'm saying.
And it's salt.
Yes.
It have to have salt. And you can't jerk without salt.
No,
It have
I
to
said
have-
it. I said it have the salt because I soaked the
but
chicken
me
in
just
salt.
say it have to have salt. You see me? You just don't kill it with salt.
No.
You understand? I don't know I have high blood pressure. Yeah. I rub it up there. One thing with that seasoning that it have enough cinnamon in there and them thing.
Yeah, it's because it's
Yeah.
it's good.
You know. But remember guys, when you doing jerk chicken and pork or whatever, make sure someone have pimento seed.
Yep.
If you don't have pimento seed, you know it tastes good. And Scotch bonnet. And make
Yep.
sure so the seasoning where you have ginger and them thing.